You may have heard that Facebook has once again made changes to its algorithm. The social media giant has picked up on the fact that Facebook users are becoming less engaged with the platform since the news feeds have become overcrowded with posts from Facebook business pages trying to grab users' attention. What does it mean for your business? Simple. Less of your followers will see your post. Way less. In this video, I'm going to show you a very quick trick to counteract this new change and to make sure your posts still reach your followers. I'm Luc Durand, the founder of rankingacademy.co.uk, the place where small business owners turn to for better online visibility, more traffic to their site, and more customers to their stores. If you've already subscribed to my channel and you want to be notified about my latest videos, click on the bell right next to the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed yet, just do it now and like this video at the same time, as it really helps me grow my channel and publish more videos to support the small business community. If you've been running a Facebook business page, you might have noticed that only a small number of your followers see your posts. And this number has been gradually going down over time. According to a study conducted by EdgeRank Checker, your Facebook posts were seen by 16% of your followers back in 2012. This number dropped to 6.5% in 2014 and is now estimated to be as low as 2%. So, if you have 1,000 followers on your Facebook page, you will reach only 20 of them when you publish a new post.
No way! Yes way!
Thankfully, there is a solution to solve this problem. Show your followers how to become see first fans of your Facebook page content. See first what? See first is an option available on any given Facebook page. When one of your followers selects the option see first from your business page, all your posts will be seen at the top of their Facebook feed, which means they will never miss any of your posts. Let me show you how this works using Ranking Academy Facebook business page as an example. So I've just logged into Facebook using a dummy account called John Smith, and I've looked for Ranking Academy. Once on the page, all I need to do is click on the follow button, and from the drop down select the see first option. The next thing I'm going to do is log into my Ranking Academy Facebook business page and publish a post like you would normally do. Right, there you go. Let's scroll down to see whether or not it's come through. There's quite a few things that I've pinned at the top, and there you go. Right, so let's verify whether or not this has worked. I'm just going to log out of my Ranking Academy Facebook business page and log back in as my dummy user, John Smith. Once I've scrolled down the Facebook suggestions on John Smith's newsfeed, I can see the Ranking Academy posts sitting right at the top. Your job now is to convince your followers to do the same when they follow you, and you will no longer be worried about not reaching out to them. There are, however, a few things you need to bear in mind. Each Facebook user is limited to a maximum of 30 pages to see first. It is not possible to prioritize which see first post comes up first amongst the pages they have decided to follow. As a business, do not overpost, otherwise you will irritate your followers and they might unfollow you. That's it for today. Don't hesitate to let me know how you get on by posting your comments below. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and follow me on Facebook. Oh, and I almost forgot. Don't forget to choose the see first option. Thank you for watching and see you very soon.